In this video, I'll break down the top 5 recliners, which recliner I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best recliner and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the SMUG Massage Recliner. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice for those on a budget. It delivers a versatile relaxation experience with its targeted lumbar massage function, featuring 8 customizable modes and adjustable intensity levels for personalized comfort. The ergonomic design supports natural body alignment, combining plush padding with durable water-resistant PU leather upholstery that balances softness and easy maintenance. Smooth recline mechanism allow effortless positioning transitions, while the sturdy metal frame ensures stability for users up to 275 pounds. The integrated remote control simplifies operation, offering seamless access to massage settings without disrupting relaxation. Though the vibration-based massage lacks deep tissue intensity, it provides consistent relief for mild tension, complemented by a generously padded headrest and breathable fabric that enhance long-term comfort. The chair's compact footprint adapts well to living rooms or home theaters, and straightforward assembly requiring minimal setup adds practical appeal. While taller users may find limited neck support when fully reclined, the overall construction prioritizes day-to-day usability, making it a functional choice for everyday unwinding. At number 4, we have the Lexicon Corduroy. This pushback recliner strikes an excellent balance between modern aesthetics and everyday comfort, with its plush corduroy upholstery and sturdy solid wood frame offering both durability and visual appeal. The recliner's pushback mechanism operates smoothly, transitioning seamlessly from upright to relaxed positions without levers or buttons, maintaining a clean silhouette ideal for smaller spaces. The padded armrests and high-density foam cushioning provide ample support for extended sitting sessions, whether reading or watching television, while the textured corduroy fabric adds a cozy yet sophisticated touch to living rooms. The recliner's compact design pairs well with varied decor styles, and the reinforced metal seat base ensures stability during frequent use. While the wooden arms lend a mid-century charm, they remain ergonomically contoured to avoid discomfort during prolonged lounging. At number 3, we have the Benchmaster Newport. This recliner excels with its smooth 360-degree rotation and customizable comfort, blending modern design with practical functionality. Its ergonomic manual reclining mechanism adjusts effortlessly to a 45-degree angle, providing versatile support for reading or relaxation, while the matching ottoman enhances lounging comfort. Durable faux leather upholstery resists spills and simplifies maintenance, complemented by a sturdy solid wood base that ensures stability during movement. The chair's compact footprint makes it ideal for smaller living spaces without sacrificing seating area depth, and its padded armrests paired with high-density foam cushioning offer sustained comfort during extended use. Users appreciate the straightforward assembly process and the secure reclining lock mechanism, which prevents accidental adjustments. While the bonded leather shows minor wear over time in high-contact areas, the overall construction maintains structural integrity through daily use. At number 2, we have the Bosscare R8686. This is our runner-up pick and excels with its 3 zero-gravity positions, creating a weightless sensation that enhances relaxation while supporting proper spinal alignment. Its full-body airbag system combines with targeted back heat therapy to relieve muscle tension, particularly benefiting those with chronic pain or stiffness. The chair offers 6 automatic programs alongside customizable manual settings, allowing users to adjust massage intensity and focus areas like neck, shoulders, or lower back. Integrated foot rollers provide deep kneading for tired feet, complemented by an extendable leg rest that accommodates various heights. Practical features include Bluetooth-enabled speakers for immersive audio and dual control options via touchscreen or mobile app. The faux leather upholstery ensures durability while maintaining comfort during extended sessions, and the 260-pound weight capacity makes it accessible for most users. Assembly proves straightforward with pre-installed components, requiring minimal setup time. At number 1, we have the Human Touch Perfect Chair PC350. This is the best recliner you can get when comparing it on price to performance, and delivers exceptional spinal relief through its doctor-recommended zero-gravity recline, which elevates legs above the heart to naturally decompress vertebrae. Its smooth electric recline system transitions effortlessly between upright and fully reclined positions, offering split-second adjustments to find the ideal angle for reducing back tension. The articulating headrest with a full support pillow adapts to neck contours, providing ergonomic alignment whether reading upright or resting in deep recline. Constructed with durable top-grain leather and a hand-carved rubber wood base, this recliner balances luxury with structural integrity, supporting up to 400 pounds without compromising its whisper-quiet mechanics. The fixed-form seating design maintains proper posture across all recline angles, while the high-tensile steel frame ensures long-term durability. So that sums up my top 5 recliners I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.